أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will tell you about what you need to do before you come to Saudi Arabia. Hajj preparation before you come to Saudi Arabia is as important as preparing yourself mentally. See your doctor, take medications for any condition that you may have. Make sure you are fit. Ask your doctor to prescribe to you medications for common ailments like flu, cold and itches. Make sure those meds are safe to get here. You will have free medical checkups here and medicines too, but you need to have some on hand for emergencies. Make sure to take all your vaccinations. The Saudi government has a set of obligatory vaccines that you must show when you enter. It is for your own safety and to keep others safe. Make sure to take them and have copies of the certificate with you to show the authorities. Make multiple copies of your documents. Keep 2 in your luggage, 1 with you in your handbag and 1 on you. It is better to be prepared. Have enough cash to bring. Store them separately in different places. Get a Saudi phone card. Bring an unlocked phone with you, preferably one without a camera, as you won't be allowed camera phones in Masjid al-Nabwi. Get a phone number once you arrive here in Saudi Arabia. There are many operators here. STC, the official Saudi telecom service, Mobily and Zen. You will get a number when you buy a mobile card and it helps stay connected back home and for emergencies. How many bags do you need for Hajj? This will depend on how long you plan to stay in Saudi Arabia. You may need at least 3 bags for the Hajj days. A hand carry or backpack to carry all your personal items including your sleeping bag and pillow. A neck bag or fanny bag for your documents, money and essentials. A suitcase or trolley with a good lock that has the rest of your stuff. Depending on whether you are a man or woman, young or old, you may need to pack something like this. A neck bag. This will contain a copy of your documents, your ID card, passport, some money, important numbers and emergency contact number. A fanny bag. A fanny bag or hip bag or shoulder bag. This will carry additional money, tasbih, Quran, some snacks, a diary with important phone numbers, your mobile phone, tissues, a small snack pack or chocolate, biscuits, a small polythene bag for sleepers. A backpack, which will carry your sleeping bag, travel pillow, travel mat, musalla, toiletries, 2 sets of clothes, 1 extra ihram, an extra pair of slippers, toiletries, snacks, juices, vanity kit with sewing, thread and needle, safety pins, hair clips, a button or 2, nail clippers, a small scissors, detergent, sunglasses. Foldable chair. It is a good idea to carry a small foldable chair while walking. Helps you just sit down and rest. You can get this very easily in Makkah from the souk in Fronton Haram for 10 or 15 riyal.